Today I want to show you how to schedule social media content directly from Canva. So if you are interested in this tutorial, let's go to my computer. Today I want to talk about what is this content planner. So what is it? I'm going to show you how it works, and then at the end I'm going to be answering all your questions. So a couple of videos ago I asked you guys if you had any questions regarding this content planner, and also if you had questions regarding how to post or schedule directly from Canva to Instagram, and I got pretty interesting questions that got me researching for a couple of days. So this is pretty interesting. If you send your questions, stay until the end because I may be answering your questions. So what is it? This is a feature that is available for Canva Pro users, Canva for enterprise, and Canva for non-profits. So if you have a free account and you are like, oh, I won't be able to test or try this feature, I have an affiliate link that will help you get 45 days of Canva Pro for free. So if you want to try it out, check the link in the description. Now, you can schedule to 7 different platforms. You can schedule posts directly from Canva to Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Slack, and Tumblr. So these are the 7 different platforms, and what I really like about this is that you can schedule posts to Facebook pages, but also to Facebook groups, and then also you can schedule posts to LinkedIn profiles, but also LinkedIn pages. So this is pretty interesting because you have a variety of different social media platforms, and recently Canva integrated Instagram, which I know a lot of people were waiting for, including me. So I'm very happy about this. I'm very happy to share the news as well. With this feature, you are of course able to design your graphics or your videos. You will be able to plan all your social media posts, and then you will be able to publish them directly from Canva. This of course will help you save a lot of time because you are going to manage just one platform to do all of that. You're going to be able to do it everything inside Canva, and then you will also save some memory space because you don't need to download and upload again your graphics to your computer and then to these other social media platforms. Lastly, you will be able to edit your post directly from Canva. Even if you had already scheduled them, you can go and edit your designs and then reschedule them again, and everything will be synced. So I find this very amazing. I will show you everything in a second. So how it works, let's go to my Canva account and I will show you step by step how to schedule posts on Canva. Okay, so let's say that you already have your design ready. You are inside the Canva editor. By the way, if you are interested in this template, this is available in my Canva profile. So I will leave the link in the description of this video. So we have our design ready, right? Now, how do we schedule this post to Instagram, let's say? We are going to the navigation bar on top. We're going to select these 3 dots, and then you will see here Instagram business. This is actually not the option that we want to select if we want to schedule our post. This is to automatically publish this design to Instagram. So it says, please choose a new location to publish, choose another account. So I'm going to select this one, and then we see here my Instagram account because I already connected my Instagram account to Canva. Here we can select either JPEG or MP4. You can add here your caption, so here you can add your text, you can add your hashtags as well, and then publish now. But if you want to schedule it, you see here there is a little icon that says schedule to publish later. We're going to click here, then you can select the date, you can select the time as well, PM, AM. Let's say that we're going to schedule it for the 15th of May. You can actually select some other months if you wish, then hit done and then schedule post. Here Canva is showing us this little window that says your design is scheduled to be posted to Diana Munoz. This is my handle, then the date, and you can make a copy of this design in case that you want to use it for another social media platform. So let's say that you want to post this exactly same graphic to Facebook. So make a copy and then you will do exactly the same process, but for your Facebook page or Facebook group. The other option is Content Planner. So I'm gonna click here because this is a very important page in Canva for this process, right? So here I'm seeing my scheduled post. If I had inserted a caption, you will see it here. I'm just gonna close this window to show you really quick how it looks, this content planner page. Basically, to access this content planner page or section, you can access it anytime on this menu on the left. Even if you are on the home page, let's go to the home page, you will see it right here. So content planner, here you see your calendar, and this is the post that I just scheduled. Another thing to have into consideration is that you will see the icon of the social media platform right below the image. Another way to schedule posts is to come here to the content planner and you can select the date. Let's say that I want to publish something in June. I'm going to click on this arrow, then I'm positioned in June, and I can select any of these dates, let's say the 15th. When I hover on top of the date, you see here this plus icon. You can click here and then you will be able to select any post from your recent designs, or you can create a new design. Canva is suggesting us here a couple of templates, but let's say that I want to work with a design from my library. So I can either click on any of these options or click on this button that says your library. Let's say that I want to work with this one, and here Canva is giving you the option to schedule. So here's the date. You can choose the destination. I already connected my Facebook page and my Instagram account. You can schedule too and select any of these other social media platforms that I talked about at the beginning of this video. You can connect them to Canva. Is pretty simple. And then we have the caption box here. We have these three little dots that are going to allow us to change the date and time, edit the design. Let's say that you want to change something, a color or the text, you had a typo and you want to go and edit it, you can do it from here. You can make a copy of the design, or you can make a copy and resize. This is very interesting if you are going to publish in different platforms, so you can have the specific size for specific platforms. Once you have done all these changes and selected your platform, you can schedule posts. And now we have this post schedule in Canva. We can see here the social media platform icon. So this is Facebook, and on May I scheduled another one for Instagram. If you want to edit or delete one of these posts, you can click on top of it. This little window will appear again, and again on these three dots you can edit the design or you can delete the post. If you delete the post here, this means that the post will be deleted from the content calendar, so the scheduled will be deleted, but your design will still be in Canva. So don't worry, this is just to remove it from the content planner. I'm gonna do exactly the same process for this one. And as you see, I don't have anything now on June or May. Now I'm going to answer the questions that you guys left on one of my previous videos. And for this one, I got some help because I didn't know the answer to all the questions that you left. So I want to give a shout out to Rebecca because she was very kind and helped me answer some of your questions. So if you want to go and check her Instagram out and give her some love, you can find her by Branded by Rebecca Flint. She's the senior community manager at Canva. I think she really deserves our love. And let's start. So the first question says, I tried this feature, but it is asking for an Instagram business account to be able to schedule. Please explain. So basically you won't be able to connect your Instagram account if your account is a personal account or a creator account. So you will need to change your account from personal to a business account or from creator to a business account. This is super simple. I did it and it took me like a couple of seconds. I will show you how to do it in a second. And you can change from Instagram business account to a personal account or to a creator anytime you want, and you don't have to pay. This is free, so I don't see any issues in doing this. And now I want you to pay attention, because in the next slide I will show you the steps to switch your creator or personal account into an Instagram business account. So pay attention. When you go to your profile, click on these three dots, then you will go to settings, account, and then below you will see switch account type. There you will see the option that says Instagram business account, and the change will be automatic. If you want to get more information about this or this type of accounts, you can go to this article. It has a lot of valuable information. Now let's go to the next question, that actually we have 3 questions in one. So the first one is about, can we schedule stories to Instagram? Second, what about hashtags? Can we add them? And third one, usually when you create a post directly from Instagram, you can select an option to automatically post the same post on Facebook. So the question is, I cannot find this option. Okay, let's answer these questions. The first one, can we schedule stories to Instagram? It says no. This one, Rebecca helped me with this one. So it says that Instagram API doesn't allow it yet. So maybe, hopefully in the future, we will be able to do this directly from Canva. The second one, can we add hashtags? Yes, you can. I already tested it out and it worked perfectly. Another thing that I found while doing my research, it took me a couple of days to find all these answers. I found out that you can add up to a maximum of 20 hashtags in your scheduled caption. And lastly, you were saying that you couldn't find the option to auto post to Facebook. So sadly, Instagram API doesn't allow this either, and you will still have to manually share it directly from your Instagram, or I would recommend that you copy and resize the same post that you created for Instagram and then schedule that copy to Facebook. I would recommend this for you to be able to have all your posts in the same content planner inside Canva. And if you want to do any changes, or if you want to delete or move anything, everything will be inside the content planner. Next question. So this one was pretty interesting. Do you know if there are limits on scheduling? For example, could I create 30 posts and schedule them over a month? So I found out that you can schedule up to 25 posts in a rolling 24-hour period. And yes, you can schedule them over a month or more. So this one was quite interesting. I actually didn't think about the limits, but yeah, it's important to know. Thank you for putting this question out. Next question is asking if Canva automatically posts this for us, or if Canva is going to send us a reminder for us to do the posting. So yes, Canva is going to auto post this for us. You just schedule the post and you can go to sleep and Canva will automatically post this for you. I already tested it out and it worked perfectly. Next question is talking about a problem that they found in which they cannot schedule for Instagram and Facebook at the same time. So this is the first time that I saw somebody having this issue, but Rebecca told me that some people actually were experiencing the same problem. So she's suggesting to disconnect and reconnect their accounts, maybe clear your cache and try different browsers. Some people had luck doing the things that I mentioned and some others not, but it is worth trying it. So let me know if that works, and if it doesn't, also let me know in the comments and we can try to see with Canva to see if they have another answer or another solution to it. Next question is, can we manage multiple Instagram accounts, Facebook, etc.? So I have the answer to the Instagram and Facebook accounts, but I don't know about the other platforms. Regarding Facebook, I have here the steps for you to be able to post to different pages and groups. So basically what you need to go is to go to your Facebook settings and give access to Canva to the groups and Facebook pages that you have access to, and then save those changes. You can take a screenshot or follow these steps, and I guess after this you will be fine. Okay, next question is, can you select a cover page for videos or MP4s, and will the captions keep the spacing? So for the first one, I actually haven't tried it, but I don't think you can at the moment. You cannot select a cover page for videos. And the second one, will the captions keep the spacing? Yes, I tried it. I was also worried about that, but yes, it works. So don't worry about that. Next comment is actually not a question, but I thought that many of you may have the same question or maybe wondering if you will be able to schedule carousels. And the answer to this is that Instagram's API doesn't allow this yet. Hopefully in the future, I really hope so, because I love to post carousels. So yeah, not right now. And last question is, can this be done, or can we schedule for Facebook as well? So I guess you already know the answer to this one is a big yes. You can post or schedule to Facebook pages and Facebook groups. So yes, we have reached to the end of all your questions. And lastly, I just want to remind you guys that you can enjoy 45 days for free of Canva Pro if you use the link that is in the description of this video. This will allow you to not only use the Canva's content planner, but all Canva's Pro features. So yeah, you are free to use that link or share it with your friends. If you found this video valuable, I would really appreciate if you leave me a thumbs up. This is going to tell YouTube that this video was valuable. If you think that any of your friends or colleagues would benefit from the information in this video, make sure to share this video with them. I'm going to leave the affiliate link also over here so you can try your 45 days of Canva Pro. I'm also going to leave other 2 tutorials on this site if you want to keep learning about Canva. And I guess this is it for today. I hope you have a wonderful day and see you in the next tutorial. Bye!